I don't know if the characters improved that much. I'm not sure if I'm in a position to answer that. I would, I would hope that I hope that wasn't so bad before that it needed that much improvement. But I think, we've always strived to treat investors fairly, and to recognize that it's their capital that is a privilege to be managing, and certainly not a right that I have in doing that, and to treat them simply as I would want to be treated as an investor. So I don't think there's been any real improvement there, because I think it was pretty good to begin with. I think in process, I would say the one thing that's changed in process is that I'm able to make decisions more quickly than I did 10 years ago, than I did 20 years ago. Part of that is the latitude that comes with working for yourself. But part of that is also what we've spoken before in terms of pattern recognition and sort of looking at a situation and saying, okay, I can look very quickly at something and get a real sense of, again, what is my risk here? Not so much what's the opportunity, but more importantly, what's the risk here? And I'm willing to sort of, take that position and then start, fleshing out all the real deep details. Also, we're advantaged, frankly, because we're small. If I was running, $1 billion, probably couldn't. We just couldn't work that way. There'd have to be a lot more research done before pulling the trigger. But in the environment that I'm in now, and the capital that we have now, and for the foreseeable future, I can have the flexibility to operate that way. Of taking two decades plus of pattern recognition to sort of say, okay, is this something that is understandable? Is this something where I think the risk is controlled? Can we get involved early as the research process is ongoing? I think that's been a definite process change.